going, mate?
Hey, good mate, yourself? What's happening?
Yeah, going all right. Thought I'd come over and see how your layout's going.
My new setup is gold. My
Yeah.
kitchen, mate, is all time.
Kitchen?
Look at that.
All
My,
going on.
my fridge is out before you even said hello.
Yeah, that's true.
My table's
Canopy,
good. My table's good to go and as strong as ours is.
What about the kitchen here?
And
How's
the
that
kitchen,
go
mate,
for
look
you?
at that. I've got a kitchen in my canopy. Not
How's
only
the setup go?
you don't always get a kitchen. Its setup's great. And it even slides out.
Yeah.
And for those shorter people out there, it even drops down. Look at that. This morning, I'm just going to make coffee. I just like boom and open that up. I get my coffee and stuff out of there.
You got it sitting right
Or
there,
my
ready
tea,
to rock and roll.
Because you know I like my cup of tea first thing in the morning,
Yeah,
and then it's coffee.
it's right there.
Yep, it's right there.
Okay.
And then
so,
when you
so
want
that's
the whole,
quick setup.
That's
yep.
the quick setup on the side of the road. Then, when you want to set up when you're actually camping,
The whole shooting match.
you got the whole shooting match going.
Look at that.
You got a little table up here, and you can get into all your stuff then in there. Then see,
Oh yes,
and there's your little pantry in there.
that's pretty cool.
You got little tables and stuff going on.
You got some food in here.
Yeah, there's food in there.
There's all sorts of stuff.
But wait,
in
there's
there.
more.
Oh, it even comes out even further.
And the hole. I can even do the dishes. A bit of water in there. Happy
Very
days.
cool. Now Clearview have been making Easy Slide for a long time now. And you know the mechanism, you know how it drops down, and it works very well. Did you also know that they make them for different size fridges? Just about every fridge on the market. Now, as you can see in Simon's truck, he's got the 75 litre Dometic dual zone here, which sits on here nicely actually. It's also got some accessories to it. You can see here, there's the Clearview table. That just clips on the front there, very convenient. And as you can see, we've got the Clearview cable saver here doing its job. Now, if you've got an SUV set up like this one, then you've got a small 40 litre Dometic fridge sitting in a Clearview Easy Slide. Now you imagine if you didn't have the Easy Slide. So for starters, you wouldn't be able to access your fridge. You wouldn't be able to get anything out of it. So you need some sort of slide. So the beauty of the Easy Slide, it slides it out, but even then, like I'm a tall guy and I'm struggling to see in what's in my fridge. What is in there? Oh yeah, there's some beers in there. Now, if I search around like that, I might be able to get them out, but what if you're a little short ass? Mate, you'd struggle to get in there. So, that's where the Easy Slide comes into its own. Now, I can get whatever I want out of there. And I only need one hand to do it.